Got this sweet little TTR 225 to do some tinkering on. Got to change the oil. It'd be a sweet little like cruiser. It's short, electric start. Pulled the knucklehead move. Started this thing yesterday and left the key on. Have to throw it on the battery charger for a little while, charge that battery back up. You're a beautiful dog. Do you want a cookie? You want a cookie? Do you? Do you? Come on, let's get a cookie. Thank you. Thank you. Easy. Thank you. Fucking badass dog right there. Well, the battery titter kicked off, so key odd, choke odd. I'd have to turn the idle up. Seems good. Sitting here searching high and low. Generally the drain plug's on the bottom. This one's that big bastard right there. I don't know, probably about 19. I'm gonna say it goes one of two ways. Either it's got brand new oil in it because they just changed it when they sold it, or it's got 10-year-old oil in it. Well, that sucker's on there tight, that's for sure. I'm gonna strip it. I think. Hopefully it didn't strip it. Oh yeah, there we go. See what we got here. Oh yeah, hasn't been changed in a while. Smells good. Well, it's clean. It's clean, so that's good. There's no shavings in the screen, so that's good too. Lay it over this way a little bit. There we go. It's nice and dirty. It smells burnt, but at least there's no metal shavings or anything in it. Whoever worked on this one last probably shouldn't be allowed to work on motorcycles, just saying. My goodness, guys. Make sure they weren't gonna fall out, that's for sure. Oh, now I did it. Snug them up. Don't gotta tighten the living daylights out of them. Make sure they're not gonna fall out. There we go. Wipe your excess oil and bullshit off. Fresh oil filter. Ready to rock and roll. Need to slap the drain plug back in it. Put some oil in it. Start it. Let it circulate. Check your sight glass. Make sure you're good to go. Slap the drain plug back in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Run it down by hand. Same thing, make sure it's tight. Gotta tighten the living daylights out of it. Make sure you use a funnel to fill it up with oil. You could try and freehand it. I usually make a mess, so 1,000, so a whole bottle. Make sure you get every last drop out of it. Give it a minute, let it all drain out of the... It says 1,000 CM3 right there, which is one bottle. If you look at the sight glass, it's right in between the lower and upper, but after I start it, let it circulate, it'll probably be below, so we'll have to top it off. Make sure we're good. I'm sure we'll be good. Always remember to put your cap back on, or you'll be wearing a bunch of oil. You'll be dressed in oil. That's never no good. It probably comes up, it's probably because I sucked the bike down to the left side to let the oil drain. So if I go like this and let up on this tie down, let the bike level out, might come up a little bit, honestly. Oh yeah, it comes up to the top mark now, so start it, let it circulate, and double check it. What's up, dog? Watch it. Finished up the oil change on this beast right here. Started it, let it run and get hot. Tried to locate the drain plug, which I figured would be on the bottom. So when I couldn't find it on the bottom, I kind of honestly started panicking a little bit. Just because I was being a dumbass. It was right there on the side where you could see it, clear as day. Popped the drain plug loose, drain the oil out of it, popped the oil filter cover loose, had to beat on it a little bit because somebody tightened the living daylights out of it. Got that loose, changed the oil filter out, popped the new oil, or oiled the new oil filter, put oil in the new oil filter so it's covered in oil. Put the cover back on, put the drain plug back in, filled it up with how much it says it takes, which is 1,000 cc's. Did that. You can see it in the sight glass. It was like right at the, like I'd say it was like 3/4, I guess you could say, and started it, circulated it, and then it was sitting right at the bottom mark. After I started it, circulated it, and shut it off, let it sit there for a minute. It was sitting right at the bottom mark. So then just topped it off a little bit. Got it halfway in between your two marks, started it, circulated it again, and should be good to go. Take that thing out and rip it around. Obviously, after I changed the tire, sprockets, clutch perch, and clutch cable. Other than that, should be good.